Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated mini cordless circular saws. Thanks to recent advancements in battery technology, a whole new crop of powerful cordless circular saws are flooding the market. These saws are freed from the constraints of a cord, thereby eliminating tripping hazards and cord snags that can lead to a variety of unfortunate accidents. For this reason, a cordless circular saw makes for an excellent investment in any personal workshop or industrial job site. Today we'll be going over 7 of the highest rated mini cordless circular saws so you can take your pick after watching. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the mini cordless circular saws that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first mini cordless circular saw on your list is the Worx cordless circular saw. Even though the Worx cordless circular saw comes with a lightweight and compact profile, measuring 14 by 3.38 by 6.75 inches and weighing 4.45 pounds, it isn't just a handheld mini saw. It works exactly what a full-fledged circular saw would do, with the difference that you can hold this one with one hand only. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Worx cordless circular saw a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: adjustable settings. It's effortless to adjust the device's settings using a simple lever placed on the outside. This way, you can also change the blade in it in no time. Built-in dustport. Having a built-in dustport system is pretty much worth it, as it reduces the need for maintenance to a greater level. High RPM rates. With its powerful motor inside, the machine can achieve up to 2,300 rotations per minute for the most aggressive cut you need. It can easily pierce through 1-inch thickness without any visible effort. Full metal protection. Even though it's small, the circular saw is built to last with quality materials and expert construction. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is for battery life. Although the saw is a joy to work with, the battery tends to get drained quicker than others. The second mini cordless circular saw on our list is the GALAX Pro cordless circular saw. The circular saw from GALAX Pro is a must-have for the professional carpenter, electrician, plumber, and handyman. It's also incredibly lightweight at 6.38 pounds with dimensions of 15.83 by 6.3 by 5.39 inches. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the GALAX Pro cordless circular saw a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: bimetal blade design. It features a powerful 4.5-inch bimetal blade that cuts through any material including wood, steel, aluminum, and plastic easily. Density. The saw includes 12 teeth per inch of bimetal blade, making quick work of any sawing job. Adjustable shoe level. It has an adjustable shoe for bevel cuts up to 50 degrees. Efficient cutting. With a thin curved design, you can make more cuts per battery charge than ever before without sacrificing power or speed. Anti-slip structure. It also features an all-metal gearbox with an anti-slip texture for extra comfort and reduced vibration. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is loud operational noise. It is a lot noisier than other circular saws in the market, making this a bit unattractive for home users. The third mini cordless circular saw on our list is the Makita cordless circular saw. This cordless circular saw from Makita delivers power and speed in a compact and lightweight solution. Crafted with great care and attention to detail, the device offers faster and more accurate cutting on various boards and wooden pieces. In terms of size, it has dimensions of 14.5 by 8 by 10.2 inches and a weight of 3.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Makita cordless circular saw a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: powerful motor. The cordless device is powered by a powerful motor that offers 1,500 rotations per minute to get the best cutting possible. With the help of a 12-volt sliding-style lithium-ion battery, it also takes little effort to cut through wooden pieces like a hot knife in the butter. Ergonomic design. Thanks to its ergonomically designed handle with a soft rubberized grip, cutting through any material is incredibly comfortable. Bevel cutting. A tilting base on the device can be used for angle cutting from 0 to 45 degrees. Simply adjust the base and get the perfect bevel cutting for your project. Built-in blower. This helps keep the cutting line free of debris for increased accuracy. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is low battery life. Although the battery is serviceable, it's not going to support you for a long time at one single charge. The fourth mini cordless circular saw on our list is the PowerSmart cordless circular saw. This cordless circular saw, PowerSmart, has a great price and lovely build, making it a very worthwhile investment for your workshop. It has a mid-sized and solid form factor, measuring 15.2 by 7.2 by 6 inches and weighing 8.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the PowerSmart cordless circular saw a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: one-hand operation. The soft grip handle allows for great comfort balance and control while operating the circular saw. Great battery life. The 4 ampere-hour battery provides maximum power that's more than enough for most projects in your workshop. Laser guide. The laser guide is perfectly placed to enable accurate, straight, and professional cuts. Dust port design. The dust port design to reduce the dust spraying at the job site and increase cutting performance. Designed with safety in mind, the double protection switch is completed to prevent the machine from accidentally opening and ensure safer cutting. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is unclear instructions. The provided instructions can be a bit tricky, so we recommend taking your time learning the tool. The 5th mini cordless circular saw on our list is the ENERTWIST cordless circular saw. The ENERTWIST cordless circular saw is an ideal tool to have on hand for home improvement projects, cutting firewood, or even for small jobs at the office. As for its size, it has dimensions of 16.14 by 4.72 by 6.3 inches and a weight of 4.63 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the ENERTWIST cordless circular saw a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Brushless motor. The circular saw comes with brushless motor technology, which allows for extended runtimes with increased power and efficiency. Powerful and adjustable. It has a maximum speed of 3,500 rotations per minute and features an adjustable depth guide that allows you to make precise cuts every time. Versatile usage. It's designed for drywall, wood, metal framing, and other industrial applications. Comfortable soft grip handle. The ergonomic design and soft grip handle make it comfortable to use, while the lightweight design makes it easy to use for extended periods. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is inconvenient safety switch. The safety switch button can be challenging for some people to press with one hand. The 6th mini cordless circular saw on our list is the POPOMAN cordless circular saw. The cordless POPOMAN circular saw is a great tool for home improvement projects, renovations, DIY crafts, and more. It's built with power, precision, and portability in mind, so you'll be amazed by how effortlessly they cut through wood, plastic, metal, and even drywall. Its dimensions are 14.6 by 4.3 by 5.12 inches while weighing 4.8 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the POPOMAN cordless circular saw a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Great battery life. The 4,000 mAh large capacity battery allows for a long working time once charged. Additionally, the charger is equipped for fast charging. Powerful motor. Its pure copper motor delivers 3,500 rotations per minute, no load speed for high efficiency cutting. Bevel cutting. With a 0 to 45 degree adjustable bevel cutting, you can simply adjust the base and get the perfect angle cutting for your project. Ergonomic design. An ergonomically designed rubber-covered handle and 9.5-inch long metal blade plate largely reduce vibration and making cutting more stable and precise. Designed with safety in mind, the double protection switch avoids accidental opening of the machine and ensures safer cutting operations. Additionally, the metal blade guard prevents children from touching the blade. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is non-visible blade. The blade is hardly visible while you're cutting, which may hamper precision at some point. The 7th mini cordless circular saw on our list is the DEWALT cordless circular saw. This DEWALT circular socket is a powerful cordless circular saw ideal for remodeling and general construction work. It features a compact size with footplate that pivots up to 45 degrees to provide excellent visibility for cutting close to walls, baseboard, and other obstructions. In terms of size, it measures 17.88 by 5.13 by 6.69 inches and weighs 6.6 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT cordless circular saw a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Powerful brushless motor. The saw features a brushless motor rated at 4,500 rotations per minute and delivers an impressive no-load speed for fast cutting in both wood and metal. Safety features. It comes with vibration reduction technology, which provides a smooth operation. It also provides an electronic blade brake that stops the blade quickly for safety and productivity. Built-in laser guide. A built-in laser guide offers accurate cuts in various materials, while the LED light illuminates dark work surfaces for precise cuts. Efficient battery. The lithium-ion battery system provides high performance and extended runtime with no memory effect that allows for more consistent power throughout the battery life. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is design shortcoming. They should have put 2 securing screws on the saw, tightening straight down on each side of the shoe instead of a single angle-mounted screw in the center of the shoe. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated mini cordless circular saws, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next mini cordless circular saw roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.